armegeddon.
They're all wearing glasses. They look so dashing, reading source code to their friends. Picasso storms in a world full of horses. The music is moving. Photographs of the silence defy the resistance in the air. The people are queuing, the queue goes from here to the northern hemisphere. Dad's ghosts are all joking, and the man reading the news looks scared. This world is a nightmare.
Yes, I am here in Armageddon, in Armageddon.
The wind melts beneath my fingers. I'm him the hellbringer, dim as Dell computers. I live in a perfect future inertia, in a circus of hubris, dark circuits, loose wires of routers, reroute these looters, beautiful losers, loose ends of a system rebooted. The sonnets we sung at the summits, a summer is something that's pumping, it's here, we finally done it. A car crash in the static, in the electromagnetic dark. The breach travels vast speeds, flashbacks of black hole memories of dead stars. In other galaxies, we pick up the signal from satellites near Saturn and Mars. Self-driving cars need expensive bars, guarded by an erotic robotic guards. Gone are the bars, governed by programs we rule from afar. Superpowers at a standstill, delay in the harm, building up arms. Who knew Armageddon would be so boring and calm? Warning alarms, suicidal echoes of white night, got the people alarmed.
And I am here, yes, I am here in Armageddon, in Armageddon.
Cityscapes, naked highways, stretching to the stars. Curated ecosystems, we never escape. Smart cities, the future of nature. He looks out his window, a Blake podcast playing. He's become a fusion of human and data. The music is moving. Photographs of the silence defy the resistance in the air. The people are queuing, the queue goes from here to the northern hemisphere. Dad's ghosts are all joking. The man reading the news looks scared. His world is a nightmare.
And I am here, I am here, yes, I am here in Armageddon, in Armageddon.
Dancing with tears in my eyes, abusive society, silent riots in cyber minds, seduced by the vinyl quiet, digital delinquents of science, purging the wine feasts of her diet. With winged feet she flies off to Orion. We run out of the stars screaming, our world is a nightmare, listening to mute radios, marching to the wall. There you are, omnipotent child, with radioactive pride, oblivious to our business as you mock our guitars. Negligent parent, you've been gone for a while, since burning bushes defied you like neon idols or pages of burnt Bible. The people wait on bleached beaches, all gentle and mild. Designer wastelands, the tribes on trial for their baseline denial. Are you there high on Saturn's rings? A tyrant mocking the dynasty of kings, plucking the universe's strings, watching it sing an infinite hymn as you punish children, push a rock up a hill on a cross and just chill. Or are you crossed with the toxins we spill? The atrocities build on your divine designs. Guess it's just a sign of the times, destined by the sins of our archetypes, architects of our appetites, dancing to algebra in bars of Al Jazeera algorithms. We don't look like heroes, we look like victims, drunk on joy division. She giggles at the cynicism, Googles the digital addictions. Tight t-shirt gleaming like the solar system, overdosing on viral visions. Channel little surfing, vixen, living at the limit, streaming while the bomb quit ticking, blowing up our gaudy visions of peace and Armageddon.
And I am here, I am here, yes, I am here